Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the ITSPWR bundle design for the Leviton 61110 BL6 Extreme CAT6 QuickPort jack. This kit includes 25 individually packed blue connectors and a 5-pack of ITSPWR wire strippers, promising a streamlined and efficient network installation experience. One of the standout features is the dual-layer T568B T568A wiring label. This seemingly simple addition significantly speeds up the punch-down process. The clear labeling removes any guesswork, allowing for faster and more accurate terminations, which is a huge time saver, especially when dealing with multiple connections. The 180-degree configuration is another thoughtful design element. It allows for rear termination, making it much easier to work in tight spaces. Anyone who has struggled to maneuver bulky connectors in cramped network closets will appreciate this feature. The pair separation tower design is crucial for maintaining signal integrity. By facilitating the separation of conductors and minimizing untwisting, it ensures optimal signal quality and reduces the potential for crosstalk or interference. This is particularly important for high-speed data transmission. Durability is also a key consideration, and the gas-tight IDC jacks address this concern effectively. These jacks prevent corrosion, ensuring long-term performance and reliability of the connections. This is a feature that provides peace of mind, knowing that the connections will remain solid over time. The ability to terminate 26 AWG stranded conductors up to 5 times is another practical advantage. This re-termination capability can be a lifesaver when troubleshooting or making adjustments to the network. It adds a level of flexibility and reduces waste. Furthermore, these connectors exceed the IEEE 802.3BT standard, supporting up to 0.5 amps per conductor or 100 watts continuously. This high-power capability makes them suitable for demanding applications, such as powering PO devices like security cameras, VoIP phones, and wireless access points. Finally, the availability in multiple ANSI TIA 606C compatible colors is a welcome feature for efficient color coding and organization. This makes it easy to identify and manage different network segments, simplifying troubleshooting and maintenance. In summary, the ITSPWR bundle for Leviton CAT6 QuickPort jacks offers a combination of user-friendly design, robust performance, and long-term reliability. The dual-layer wiring label, 180-degree configuration, pair separation tower, and gas-tight IDC jacks all contribute to a smoother and more efficient installation process. The high-power support and color coding options further enhance its versatility and practicality. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient CAT6 connector solution, this bundle is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.